Judaism is inextricably interconnected with the natural world. Our traditions come from the earth and teach us to be connected to the earth.
When you bring an agricultural lens where we're actually reading text and reading Torah in a way that is vibrant and it is alive, people want more. As soon as you give them a taste, there's this awakening that happens.
JOFEE stands for Jewish Outdoor Food, Farming and Environmental Education. We're in a global climate crisis, and Jewish tradition compels us to respond.
JOFEE is a community of people who are really fired up spiritually and really engaged as activists and as educators and as change makers.
We're integrating Jewish community, sustainability, and environmental education.
We are really trying to make a difference in the world, and we're really strengthening Jewish life in the process.
JOFEE brings the structure to actualize all of that passion into a profession.
Hazon is the Jewish Lab for Sustainability.
We pilot new and innovative ways of caring for the planet.
We had 7,000 people at the Michigan Jewish Food Festival this year. We helped to create an educational farm at Tamarack that by its second year was already the most popular thing for the kids.
I was recently hired as the next JOFEE director in Louisville, Kentucky. We have an urban farm, a fresh stop farmers market where we feed people on food stamps.
We started a bee and pollinator education center.
We're working on greening initiatives with rabbis, principals, administrators.
We've seen summer camps start from scratch and have bunkhouses that are overfilled.
We do an event around Passover where we're making our own matzah with einkorn and emmer wheat, and it tastes delicious and it's experiential.
More than 60,000 individuals come through these programs, and that's only going to continue to increase.
I think that people in our generation are actually really hungry.
This work resonates so powerfully with Jews of all different ages and all different backgrounds.
JOFEE programs were my way back into my own Jewish identity.
There is a vision that's now starting to emerge. It is a deep reimagining of Jewish life.
More so than any other prior year, we feel like there is this sense of cohesion as a field.
The number of people working in this field has gone up every single year, 20 years running.
We're building a movement that really is changing the face of Jewish life in North America. The JOFEE Network Gathering is the place where we all come together.
We're all like little candles scattered throughout the world and the country, and we come together and it's like a bonfire of ideas and inspiration.
It's people learning, it's people teaching, it's people sharing, it's people building relationships.
There is a heartbeat and a pulse to this community that is so powerful.
Without JOFEE, I would feel totally alone in the work that I do. With JOFEE, I have this huge network of support, and we can rely on one another to bounce ideas and get excited and regenerate.
With that renewed energy, we're taking sparks back to our home communities.
This movement has grown, but we've barely scratched what is possible and what's necessary.
If this community continues to be invested in and empowered, it will be a source of inspiration and innovation for decades to come.